Okay, so let's talk about how to actually protect your apparel's production quality.
Right? It's this super common problem for brands. A perfect sample, then a total disaster.
You approve something that looks amazing, but what shows up? Something, well, very different.
And here's the thing. It's rarely bad intent. It's almost always just missing paperwork. Let's dig into a few of the common reasons production totally goes off the rails. See the pattern? It all comes down to communication and having things written down.
And what's wild is a lot of these failures start with simple mistakes on the buyer's end.
So the key is to really understand the whole process. Let's walk through the stages.
Each of these samples has a very specific job. Knowing their purpose is your first defense.
Okay, now that you get the process, you need the right tools to enforce that quality.
Think of this checklist as your proof. It just leaves zero room for arguments later.
And these aren't just ideas. They're powerful ways to build quality right into your contracts.
So how do you pull all this together into one solid, bulletproof approval process?
This four-step process is the gold standard. It creates checkpoints that make failure nearly impossible. This way, you stop hoping for good quality, and you start guaranteeing it.
So you gotta ask yourself, is your process just a habit, or is it truly protecting your brand?